right on the beach, cut to Lake Superior right out there. John, we're in your front yard.
We are in my front yard. Yeah, we're fortunate enough to live on the world's largest natural freshwater sandbar. Kind of this weird, beautiful, eclectic little beachfront community in northern Minnesota. Who knew that we had sandy beaches in northern Minnesota, but we do. But it's extreme here. We have beautiful, hot, humid summers. We have a lot of wind off the lake. And of course, as everybody knows, we have very frigid, harsh, cold, windy winters. And so having building materials that can withstand those harsh sort of situations is very, very important. And so that's what we're here to talk about with Cedar and Stone.
And next to freezing your mustache off, surfing on Lake Superior, walking back into a sauna or sauna, which is right here, we love getting to use Arbor wood products. They are sort of one of our favorite materials to put on for claddings and deckings. You're seeing one of our Model 3s right here in the charred Arbor wood burnish finish. John, tell us, if they don't know, what is this product? What is Arbor wood? And then how do you make it beautifully charred and black? How's that all work?
Arbor wood is thermally modified wood. So it's a natural wood product. It's a chemical-free wood product. It is responsibly, domestically harvested timber that undergoes a proprietary process. It's effectively heat and steam, changes the cellular composition of the wood for long-term durability.
Insert sauna joke here, heat and steam, wood in the sauna, it's feeling good.
It's and not makes a coincidence.
It makes it last longer outside.
That's right.
So we get it there, and then to get it charred and shisugiban, yakasugi, this sort of Japanese-inspired finish that you have, how does that work?
That ancient Japanese tradition was really about wood preservation, and so we've kind of taken a variation on that theme using Arbor wood because the high durability, the high stability is already achieved through that modification process. This is an aesthetic. What we have found, however, is that thermally modified wood is a really great canvas for receiving that char because it's stable, less prone to flaking. You're going to get that natural dimensional stability you otherwise have. Your boards, your miter joints are going to remain nice and straight, but we do produce the burnish line of finishes in a real traditional open flame system. It's not embossed, there's nothing fake about it, it's the real deal. It's char on top of our modified pine. And then in the case of this lovely build here, we're actually charring these boards first. You get that nice thick kind of gator scale that a lot of people like. We sell a lot of that kind of finish as well. In this case, we've then applied a heavy wire brush, which knocks that char down, really pops the grain structure, and then we finish it with a black oil. So you get that beautiful, clean aesthetic of real wood, but with that rich, deep black that only a real char can get you.
I love how Arbor wood is sort of committed to domestically sourced and sort of real at every turn, including actual flames going into the process of making the char. And you know, we're sort of in America where it's a lot easier to McDonald'sification of everything, right? What's the convenient way to get that? And you guys, like our sort of commitment to sauna, we're sort of sticklers around, we want it the real thing, authentic, beautiful, good materials. You guys sort of hold those same values in terms of your wood products. And again, it's one of those reasons why we love working with you guys. And we happen to share hometown roots right in the ground here in Duluth, Minnesota. We jump in that really wonderful cold plunge all the time together. So John, thanks for being a great partner. Thanks for letting us come to your front yard and checking out a great sauna. We might have to go jump in here.
I think we should.
All right, you guys, go check out Arbor Wood, arborwoodco.com, and Arbor Wood Co. on all the things. Really check them out. Amazing stuff here. John, thanks again.
Thank you.
All right, see you guys.